A magic horse. Shh. Be nice, horse. Whoa! Oye, el tigre. I'm at the crab rock. Very artistic.
Lorenzo's the artist, and we guerrillas are like the crabs.
Hard shells? Sharp claws?
They fight from the jungle to give birth in the ocean. We fought from the ocean and gave birth to La Revolucion.
See. I got it.
Take the footpath up the mountain, very easy. A guerrilla must be sure-footed, like a goat.
Goat? I thought we were like a crab. Hello? Binga.
¿Qué bola, guerrilla?
I have more intel for you.
Tell me what you know.
Get out of here! Go!
Hola, Danny. If you love sipping a cappuccino while killing soldados, you're going to love this. The soldados control a coffee factory nearby. All the farmers in this area have to bring their crop there to be officially counted, but the soldados always keep some for themselves.
Thanks. Fuck that shit. Looks like the waterfall from El Tigre's photo. Need to get up there. El Tigre, I'm at the waterfall picture.
It was taken after a bloody battle. 3 days of hiding paid off when a platoon of paratroopers landed right in our kill zone. Planning and patience are guerrillas' best friends.
So is a handful of grenades.
The soldier fall around red that day. You know, with all the blood. From the soldados we killed. Because it was a lot.
Yeah, I get it. Gods. Fucking show-offs.
Baby Tigre, after the war, that path became a famous hiking trail for sweaty turistas. They'd visit our camp, leave their shit everywhere, take photographs of us like we were animals in a zoo. So, we might have accidentally lit a few dynamite sticks and might have accidentally blocked the trail.
Then I might have to accidentally unblock it.
Exactly! I love it!
Coño. Really disappear up here. Would make an army blind. How is the air both thick and thin at the same time? Look out below! Amate next picture. Let me guess. Guerrillas are like sharks. Deadly predators with knives as sharp as teeth.
Actually, that rock just looked like a shark.
Who's the one dangling underneath it?
That's Lucky Mama. We never knew when the Soldado would find our camp, so we had to secure fast ways up and even faster ways down. Lucky always volunteered to be the first to test the lines.
Brave.
I hear you're brave too. Clara told me about you. You know, I also grew up without a mama or papa.
And you still became a legend.
Many guerrillas are orphans, baby Tigre. But it's not our parents who define us. It's our actions.
It's like therapy. El Tigre. Amate statue.
Lobo. A revolutionary, a warrior, and a dear friend. Killed in combat when we stormed Esperanza in '67. Yesterday was the anniversary of his death.
That explains the hangover.
Every year I drink 2 bottles of rum. One for me, and one for Lobo. You never lived to see a free Yara? To be honest, neither did I.
This is the last pick.
Felicidades! You're at the top of the world! Now get down here! You're missing all the fun, baby Tigre!
El Tigre! Wala Danny! What the hell?
You're trapped. Death is staring you in the face. What do you do? I've been kicked in the cojones 1,000 times. I haven't felt them since 72.
Hey! Never do that again.
What? Mi caso su casa, baby tigre. Come on, meet the family. Lucky, my nose is broke again.
I'm not your fucking mother.
There are people out there who are actually hurt.
I am suffering. Ay, easy, mama.
Herpes doesn't count.
Meet Lorenzo Canseco, poet of the legends.
Well, I sense the hot blood of a fighter.
And of course, you know Lucky Mama, heart of the legends.
It's not broken.
Really? I felt it go crazy. Merda!
Another patient? Looks like La Moral to me.
I'm Danny Rojas from Libertad.
The new fist of the revolution.
No, Clara sent me. Libertad needs the legends on her side. Heroes to believe it.
To fight another Castillo? He's exactly what Yara deserves. Buena suerte.
Sorry, one revolution was enough.
Looks like Clara was wrong.
Have faith, Danny. They just need to get to know you. Come see me when you get settled, my baby tigre.
Come here. No more hearts and bro.
Clara, I've met the legends. El Tigre is the only one on board with Libertad.
Do whatever you have to and get them to join this fight. The people need heroes to believe in.
I just hope they still want to be heroes.
Still, that's fucked up.
Yeah. I mean, we're calling Castillo a dictator, and he thinks he's a president.
She's a monk.
Hey.
What's wrong? I didn't eat breakfast today. You never skip breakfast.
My father's back in the hospital. The cancer's back.
I believe a new kid broke El Tigre's nose.
It wasn't
Got a
broken,
mission, baby tigre.
and he's lucky to be alive.
I thought you were the only one with luck around here.
Those days are long gone. All I have now are my hands.
Some very skilled hands, if you ask me.
Okay. If we want these cranky old guerrillas to help Libertad, we need Lucky and Lorenzo on board. So here's what we're going to do. Ever since Anton got obsessed with the cancer drugs and making Viviro, finding medical supplies for Lucky's clinic has been impossible. So I bribed a pilot to fly some in. When the supplies arrive, we tell Lucky they're a gift from Libertad, and boom, everybody's friends. Perfect plan, right? Well, it would have been if some hijo de puta didn't shoot down my chopper. Go get those supplies before someone else does, baby tigre.
I don't think...
Remember the 3 guerrilla principles. Always be moving, always be on guard, and always kill your enemy before they kill you.
That look in El Tigre's eyes? We're in this fight if we want to or not.
Well, I'm with you, Loki.
Then be ready to get those hands bloodied.
You're new.
Oye, anyone ever tell you you snort in your sleep?
Only my mother. Mis hermanas. every girlfriend who's ever dumped me. Y ahora tú.
Why don't you do something about it?
What the fuck am I supposed to do about it?
¿Qué sé yo? But whenever it's my turn to keep watch, I worry. I don't think Loki Mama is joining.
I'm working on it.
Don't put off what you can do today, because tomorrow can turn into yesterday, and by then it's too late.
I think you might need a nap, big guy. This looks like they drop. What a mess. This is too easy.
¡Que volá!
Who are you?
We're La Moral, and the Leste is our land. Our land, our medicine.
You practice that little speech.
Yeah.
This is property of Libertad.
Ah, Libertad. Knew you would come begging for our help. We should be fighting Castillo together. I'm Honron, second in command. Cuatro.
Nice throw. Name's Danny. Danny Rojas.
Uh-huh.
Company! Over there! By the chopper!
Batter up.
I see them! Keep fighting! Keep pushing them back!
Soldados moving in from the east!
On it! Gracias! Don't give up! We're close! Oh, Granada!
Enemies attacking from the north!
Shoot them down! Fuck you!
we stink!
You've got talent, Libertad, but Yelena needs these supplies. We got wounded.
Yelena's your boss.
Yeah, she's gonna kick my ass if I don't come back with something.
Well, Clara's gonna try to kick mine if I don't bring this to the legends.
Libertad wants the legends of 67? Half of Yara thinks they're dead.
Oh, they're very alive.
And half of La Moral thinks they're full of shit. But I majored in history. They paid in blood to put Anton's papa in his grave.
Tell you what, you give me these supplies, I'll introduce you.
Ah, coño. Yelena's gonna kill me. But at least I got to meet the legends first. Now, Danny, you get us a chopper. Then we can talk supplies. Welcome to La Moral.
Libertad.
Whatever.
I'm going to bring me out.
Danny, right?
Looks like we're
You
clear.
need a chopper?
Bring it
Well,
in,
you won't get
Danny.
that behind the sky
Great
with
work.
that fucking anti-aircraft cannon in that. Do everyone a favor and destroy it.
That was crazy! Can't believe we survived!
Let's ride. Ah, see. You're okay. Go. Yeah. So. Oye, Clara, guess who just found where all the coffee is made in Yara?
It's no joke, Danny.
This is where the army forces farmers to give up their harvests or get thrown into the camps. Castillo grows rich from the profits and the people starve. You want to stop it? Take the oil powering the factory. And while you're at it, take the fucking factory too.
Knock, knock.
Watch your back, Danny. They've sent reinforcements to your position.
Careful. Flamer.
Danny, I've spotted reinforcements on the road heading your way.
Let's see what you got.
Truck!
Mis amores, it's Rosabel Paquete, your shining star. How is your political compass today? Where is it pointing? Hurry up. The waters around Yara are turning violent. If only someone could navigate these waters for you, for me, for Yara. Wait. Anton is at the helm, and no storm can ever bend his compass.
Hola.
Hey.
Your look.
some intel.
What can you tell me?
Danny, they set up a checkpoint to look for escaped outcasts. Take it out before they recapture anyone.
Thank you. Vamos. That's a good horse. Looks like those guerrillas need help. Come on. Vamos, vamos. Looks like those guerrillas need help. So! Easy.
Lower your weapon immediately. You don't deserve to live in Coño,
where did they go?
Ubíquenlo. I see. Another new recruit. Coño.
Definitely hearing
Nothing,
things.
I guess.
Flamethrower. Just make sure you're not underneath when I shoot it down.
All right, let's move!
You got the supply.
Palapinga! El Tigre! Feast of the Revolución. You gotta sign my pants.
¿Cómo se llama, señorita?
Honron. I'm with La Moral.
La Moral. Terroristas.
Moron, this is Lore.
I know who he is. I think the word he's looking for is guerrilla.
You're not guerrillas. You're a street gang.
At least we're not hiding on the mountain while the world goes to shit.
Have you seen what's going on down there? Go, check out a Biovida facility. I dare you.
The legends don't take orders from anarchists. ¿Entiende?
Enough, Lorenzo.
No, you know what? Fuck you. La Moral is keeping these supplies. This is our revolution, not yours.
A farmer got caught in the crossfire today. Took a bullet in the stomach. Without this, he won't make it to tomorrow.
Lucky mama.
A lot of the bullets I pull are from La Moral. There is a difference between playing with guns and fighting la revolución. El Tigre.
Sí.
They're big on lectures.
If these abuelos want to live in their museum, whatever. ¿A quién le importa? But maybe I borrow some souvenirs. Talk to me when you got a minute.